The term Treana is defined by the sum of elements that influence our wines. The land that our family farms, the warm California sun that nurtures, and the cooling ocean breeze that balances. The Treana Red is the first wine that Austin Hope made as a young winemaker starting in 1996. It is a Hope Family Wines icon that is now nearly 30 years strong. When the wine was first released, people didn't know where Paso Robles was, and blends were not as understood as they are today. The Treana blend was also unconventional, Cabernet Sauvignon and Syrah. However, Austin remained firm in his belief in Paso Robles wines, and he began to win over buyers and customers alike. The success of Treana would ultimately spark the creation of Hope Family Wines and our diverse portfolio of Paso Robles grown offerings. It also helped gain recognition and acclaim for Paso Robles as a whole. When you taste Treana Red, you'll see that Cabernet Sauvignon sets the tone with its firm structure and elegance, and the Syrah rounds out the mouthfeel. This vintage displays rich aromas of dark fruit, cassis, and vanilla bean. On the palate, elevated flavors of raspberry, fresh cherry, they brighten the mid-palate while baking spices and pepper create a dynamic flavor profile unique to this Cab Syrah blend. On the finish, warm vanilla and firm tannins balance this full-bodied wine. Cheers.